Do this again. Ready? Ready? Ah! I love it. I love his face. Popsicle. Try it again. No, we're not gonna do it. Here, baby. Oh, got it on your cheek. Fight. Look at his face. Here you go. He still keeps going for it though.
Sorry, Mikey. That's on a need-to-know basis.
You want yours, Kayla? Here, Tristan. And you don't want any more? Try Kayla's? Don't shove it in his mouth. Just do it like this. He has to go like that.
Hey, that's a tasty-looking Salisbury steak you got there. Care to join us?
He did it.
Yeah, he likes yours. He doesn't like the orange.
I cover the mud puddle with grass and leaves and place the tantalizing fruit pie in the middle. Big deal. I say.
That's how Disney was when it walked